Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, and today's video we're going to be packing my hospital bag, finally. I am like kind of late packing my hospital bag, honestly. I'm 34 weeks pregnant and I probably should have had this done a few weeks ago, but I'm tired all the time, so I've just been procrastinating and just putting it off. But today's the day. We're finally packing my bag. So the bag that I'm going to be using is just this black Steve Madden bag that I got from like Ross like a few years ago. This is one that I use to travel with a lot, and it has 3 compartments. So it has a slot here, and then it has 2 slots with zippers, and it looks kind of small, but since the baby won't be coming home with me, I don't need a big bag with a ton of room because I'm going to be packing a lot less items this time, which is cool. So the first thing I'm going to be packing will be like my toiletry stuff. So I had bought this bag from Amazon recently. It's like one of those toiletry bags that you can hang on the door, and it opens up and you have all of your toiletries right there, instead of having to put everything on the counter or dig through a bag and all of that. So this is super convenient. So it just opens like this. When it opens, it's like that, and this is the little hanger that you can pull out of this slot. And then you pull this part up and this part down, and you have 4 compartments that you can put all of your toiletry items in. So I'm going to go ahead and pack this up right now, and I'm going to show you guys just everything that I'm going to be taking with me, just like my everyday stuff. So nothing crazy. So first, you have a toothbrush and some toothpaste, and I did buy like a few new items just so that they're fresh and I can dispose of them afterwards, and they're not just, you know, like I don't have like my current toothbrush just sitting in the bag for the next 6 weeks, because that's gross. So I have a new toothbrush, and I have a mini Sensodyne toothpaste. I've been using this because during this pregnancy I found out that I need a root canal, which is freaking crazy. I've never had like any problems with my teeth, but yeah. Anyway, Sensodyne toothpaste comes in clutch. And then I have a toothpaste holder as well for when I open the toothbrush. I also have some mini mouthwash, just some regular Listerine. And then I have like my floss and my Q-tips and my cotton pads for my toner. I just keep them in this little Ziploc baggie. Next, I have some lip balm because we don't want our lips crusty. I really love this one. This is from Bath and Body Works. It is called My Favorite Night Balm, and it's really like thick and creamy, and it's the bomb. So I have that. Next, I have my skincare, which is just like my my morning face wash, my nighttime face wash, and then my exfoliant. I just keep them whenever I travel. I keep them in these little tiny jars because it's much easier to travel with this than to have like the full jar and it possibly wasting in your bag and stuff. So I love these. Next is my toner. This is L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Toner. This one, I don't use this one every day, but the one that I do use every day, I'm currently using, so I'm just going to pack this one so it's easier and I don't forget when it's time to go to the hospital. Next is my moisturizer. This is the Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. I have another one of these, and this one's almost done anyway, so I'm just going to pack this one and then open the new one until I have the baby. So this is my face moisturizer. And then I also have some SPF. This is from Native. It is SPF 30, so just some sunblock for my face. I also have my face towels. Like, they're like paper towels, but they're just, you know, for when I wash my face so that I can dry it afterwards. So I'm just going to pack a few of these. Next is some body wash. This is just a mini Dove body wash that I recently purchased. I'm not a fan of the hospital body wash that they give you. It's like, it doesn't even suds up sometimes. I don't care for it. Next is my deodorant, which is just Degree deodorant. I also have my headband for when I wash my face to keep the water from getting all in my hair. I did get some Tylenol. This is just for when I'm en route. So, you know, prior to going to the hospital if I need it, or when I leave the hospital if I'm having a headache or something, I have Tylenol. I know they have medicine at the hospital, but like I said, this is for en route so that, you know, I'm not in pain unnecessarily. And it's just good to have that anyway. I do have a headband, just a regular white headband. However my hair is going to be during labor, if I need it out of my face, then I'll just have this headband to keep it up while I'm actually in labor. Next is my body lotion, which is from Bath & Body Works. This is the scent Golden Sunflower. This is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. So I'm just going to take this. It's easy. It's not going to spill or anything. So this is my body lotion. So that is all of my toiletry items that I will be taking. And everything fit in here. Everything fit perfectly, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and pack this up. Next, I have, oh, I forgot my perfume. This is just Gucci. This is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. It's a mini bottle, so just so we can have some smell goods, because I love perfume. So I'm gonna try to squeeze this in here so I don't forget to use it. So next, I just have some like miscellaneous items. So I have a mini fan. I did get this from Shein. I will try to leave what I can linked down below as well in the description box. So if you're interested, you can check that out. But yes, I do have this little fan. It goes from 1 to 5, and I love this thing. It really comes in handy. I have some wipes just for if I need them while I'm en route or whatever. If I'm in the hospital and I can't get up to like wash my hands or something or whatever. If I want to wipe the bed down, you know, whatever. I have wipes here. And I also have my Beats headphones. Just, you know, for my peace. If I need them or if I want to listen to music and just kind of block everyone else out. I have my headphones that I can use. I have a water bottle for when I'm en route to the hospital. This will probably be gone before I leave the hospital, but just for on the way there if I get thirsty. Because like I said in my last video, I do have gestational diabetes and I am constantly thirsty. So that's going to come in handy. I also have my Bible and my notebook so I can spend some time with Jesus after having the baby. So, you know, the next day, the next morning, because this more than likely won't be happening on my way to the hospital or while I'm, you know, when I first get there, because I'm going to be in pain. So this is just so I can do my devotional the following day. I also have shower shoes, which are just some old flip-flops that I don't wear anywhere but other than the beach. So I'm going to use these for my shower shoes. I got some new slippers the other day from Amazon, and I'm really happy I did because I don't want to take the ones that I wear around here to the hospital. So I just got some new ones. They were really inexpensive, and I will leave these linked down below as well. They are so cute and they're so soft, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, I'm really happy I got them because I think they're going to help out a lot. So I got new slippers for labor and delivery. My coming home outfit is just this dress that I need to iron, but it's just a white floral dress, like a maxi dress, so that I can be comfortable and I don't feel, you know, all constricted and everything. Like I said, since baby is not coming home with me, I don't need anything that's going to allow me to breastfeed or anything like that, you know. But we still can be cute. So we got this cute dress that I will iron eventually because it's very wrinkled. And then my shoes that I'll be coming home in are just some sandals from Shein. I don't know if I can link these because they're old and they're probably not on the site anymore. But yeah, these are just some sandals. That way it's easy for me to just slide my shoes on and off when it's time to go and all of that. And if I want to take them off in the car, I can. I also have my camera bag. This is not going to fit in that bag, so I'll probably just have my mom bring this in. But this it's just my camera bag for my vlogging camera so that I can keep everything safe and in one place. And then lastly, I just have my forms that I need to take to the hospital. These are just some of the surrogacy forms I need to have on hand. The hospital should have a copy, but they did tell me to just bring a copy myself just in case. So I'm going to put this in my bag as well. So the last thing that I'll take will be my purse, and that'll have my phone and my insurance and my wallet, my keys, all that important stuff that I cannot pack away right now. But I'll just grab that on the way out the door. But the hospital bag is packed. It is a little heavy, but we got everything in here, so that's good. So I don't need to bring a bigger bag. And some things I didn't pack because I know they'll have them at the hospital. I did pack like undergarments, but you know, they do have those mesh ones that I don't mind. I love them when I had my kids, so I'll be using those. And then the socks, like I'm not taking socks because they have plenty of socks in the hospital. The kind with the grips on them, you know, it's fine. And I have slippers as well, so I just didn't want to like overpack and pack unnecessarily this time because it's not necessary. Like the things that I absolutely need is what I have packed, and I will be using all of this stuff. Maybe not the Beats headphones, but you know, just in case I want to have them, because the AirPods, they're not going to work. Not while I'm in labor. They're probably going to fall out and stuff. But anyway, yeah, so that concludes this video. Thank you guys for packing my hospital bag with me. I cannot wait to bring you guys on the labor and delivery journey. Hopefully I can record as much as possible so that you guys can see and continue to be a part of this journey with me. We are 34 weeks pregnant, so we have 6 weeks to go. A little less than 6 weeks because I'm almost 35 weeks pregnant. So we're almost at the finish line, y'all. And we are officially ready to have the baby. I have everything packed, everything that I need, so that when she gets ready to come, we can just grab and go. So like I said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the description box for anything that I will have linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.